Today is January 22nd, 2026. The last time I had my routine was January 30th. Since then, I've seen so many downs, I would say. This has been the most stressful time in my life. It started with my me not being well. That's also not usual, but anyhow, point is not that. Lyka was sick, so she had a surgery, and for the first time in my life, I understood what it feels like to losing someone. After the surgery, it was very critical surgery. I mean, her womb is supposed to be 100 grams, but it was infected when we removed it. She was not pregnant or anything. It was 3.5 kgs. So, it was a critical surgery. We had to keep her without getting the wounds infected again after the surgery. She didn't want to wear the phone and stay, so we had to put a t-shirt on and always stay close to her, because if she licks the stitches, those would get infected and then she would die. I used to just stay with her for 18-ish hours sort of. I couldn't sleep properly even if I went to the bed. What happened was, I felt like if I went for a moment, that something would happen and she would not be there. So I know it's very illogical, because me staying close to her is not going to do any difference if something were to happen. But then that's how apparently the brain works, right? When you love someone, you just don't want that person to die, right? So when I went to sleep, I couldn't sleep properly. So it was very stressful. I didn't go to gym, I didn't go to the beach, I didn't go anywhere. I couldn't have food properly.